Alright, so it's the next morning. We're going to be getting back at it today, working on the shed. Like I said, I just went and picked up my lumber from a sawmill from a guy that I met where I found last year. Used them for some stuff. I've got some 12 inchers, some 10 inchers, all by 8 foot. Just got to check the ends for square, cut them to size, and then we'll be putting our board and batten on today. But still early, it's only just after 7. Just took the garbage out and we're gonna get ready to get into it. Let's open this door, get the day started. Pleasureville. It's a little damp, a little cool. Might have to start a fire this morning. So once again, this is the shed. Still got to work on the front wall, figure out where my door is going to go, build that last. Did my vinyl siding yesterday, got that all finished up, looks good. I'm going to do board and batten on this side today, get that all finished up. I'm going to leave a gap in the top there to let some light in, just put on some of that clear plastic siding. And then, like I said, figure out this doorway, get that tied in, get this all closed up with board and batten. Get her all finished before the winter. Shouldn't be a problem. Anyway, gonna get started at it and just finish my morning coffee and then jump right into her. Alright, so we're just wrapping up another day here. Got this side, got all the boards on there. Gonna wait and do all the battens all at the same time. That way they're all kind of equal size and then I can space them out properly. Figured out my door size, got that all framed in, got strapping on this side. Gonna put a window in here. I'm just looking for one other option before I finalize the cut in on that, and then we'll finish putting the battens on there, or the strapping on there, and then do the boards and the batten. Did pick up some clear plexiglass to go up there. I've already got it cut, but I've got to kind of hang it down with some kind of border or something like that, so we'll figure that out after we get all the board and batten up. But other than that, another day wrapping her up.